Standard 5 Subject English. In this video, we are going to see Term 3 Unit 2 Part 2 of the lesson The Cracked Coffee Cup. Let's see the character names. Kani, Selvi, Muthu, Rani and Anbu, Amar and then Mary. Before going to the story, let's learn the glossary. First one, leftover, extra or excess. Differently abled, a person who is physically disabled. Flash, sudden burst of bright lights. Disturbed, troubled, renewed, to start freshly. Muthu collects garbage from every house. Daddy would not stop wagging his tail until Muthu begged him. Kani ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Kani, will you eat these sweets? There are only 2 left and it is getting old, asked Kani's mom. Kani replied, no, I won't eat. There is also some leftover rice from yesterday. I will bake both the sweets and rice. We can give it to Muthu, said Kani's mom. Kani drops off the garbage and gave Muthu the leftover food. After an hour, Kani's father prepared Kani's favorite biryani. Kani's family sat to have lunch. We are having guests at home, Kani said her mom. Kani asked, who is coming? Kani's mom replied, Rani auntie and her 2-year-old son Anbu are coming from America. Kani replied, I am very excited to play with Anbu. At what time are they coming? Kani's mother replied, around 5 p.m. Before they come home, you take Daddy for a walk, okay, said Kani's father. Kani replied, sure, Dad. After a few hours of nap, Kani's parents started preparing dinner for Rani auntie. Kani's mom took the new dinner plates, cups and spoons from the cupboard and cleans them. Kani took Daddy out for a walk. While crossing a provision store at the end of the street, Teddy suddenly started running. Teddy, why are you running again? Asked Kani. Kani ran with Teddy while holding his leash very tightly. This time it was Amar, the provision shop owner, who was standing outside the shop. Teddy ran to him and would not stop wagging his tail until Amar pet him. There was a dog lying outside the shop. Kani remembered how some people would throw stones at this dog while she was thinking about it. Teddy started playing with the dog. Kani bet the other dog. After a few minutes, Teddy and Kani started walking into the next street. Teddy started running again. Oh no, Teddy, not again. Why are you running again? Who was it now? Said Kani. This time it was Mary. She was a differently abled person who sells candles outside a church. Teddy ran to her and would not stop wagging his tail until she pet him. They continued walking. Teddy and Kani finally reached home and were ready to welcome guests. Kani's family had a great time with Rani auntie and her son. After a long day, they all went to sleep. Kani was sleeping and suddenly saw traces of the broken coffee cup, leftover food. The street dog getting hit by stones in her dream. Kani woke up very disturbed. She looked around, she drank water and went back to sleep. After a while, Kani saw flashes of Teddy playing with Mary, Muthu and Anbu. Kani woke up again, but this time with tears filled in her eyes. She realized how Teddy was compassionate and how he loved everyone equally. At that moment, Kani decided that she will also treat everyone equally with love and respect. She hugged Teddy and kissed him. Teddy wagged his tail and both went back to sleep. Kani narrated the entire dream to her parents. Kani parents didn't say a word and remained very quiet. The same day at 9 a.m., Teddy ran to the gate with his pillow. It was Selvi again. Selvi started doing her routine of cleaning dishes. Kani walked into the kitchen to see a new coffee cup on the counter. Kani smiled and walked back to the room with a renewed hope. Renewed means to freshly. Dear students, what we have to learn in this story? In this story, we have to learn children should learn to everyone equally. The Grab coffee cup focuses on treating all the people equally. Let's see the book back exercise. Fill in the blanks. First question. Teddy took his pillow as a sign of welcoming. Second one. Kani and Teddy were in the garden at 12 p.m. Third one. Muthu collected dash from every house. Garbage. Fourth one. Anbu was dash old boy. 2-year-old boy. Fifth one. Kani took Teddy out for a dash walk. Thank you.